You have a good memory. Very good. So are you all ready with your exercise book? 4 lines exercise book. Your pencil, eraser. Where? Show it to me. Show it to me. Show me your book, pencil, eraser. Okay, good. Okay, good. So can you tell me first? Can you tell me what day is today?
27.
The day.
Monday.
Good, Monday. So were you busy? Were you busy yesterday? Nimi natin buayem. Did you study? Lekhaten zirem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Those who studied lekhazir tak tak, raise your hand. Very good. Good. So first I'm going to repeat the rules. Last rules. Come on. I'm going to dictate. Hey, in chat, you have to raise your hand. Miss. You will raise your hand. If you have any question, zona in nation, you will raise up your hand. Okay, in chat, then Miss, please, can you repeat? Miss, okay, come on, mute. Mute, fake roller. In tiam, love em can mute the car. To get tiam velau, can and to get tiam velau, or mute tiam velau. Turn off the speaker, mute. Good. If you have any question, zone innate one, you will raise your hand. Miss, please, can you repeat? Miss, I don't know number 7. Miss, please, can you repeat number 8? Yang kan in chat law ka in soyanga kalau repeat zela miss the alpha for cloud tour, okay? Manners chat don't want classroom up or online class up. You have to raise up your hand. Come on, try it. Raise up your hand. Good. Question in each one, but in paranga. Miss, please, can you repeat it? Oh no, mizo don't say hello. Okay. Good. Are we good? Come on, thumbs up if you're good. Good. Okay. Last class, Miss Tete Khan, last class, Khan, you have finished till number 5. Number 5, shake, ting mo, till ting ka. So today we will continue with number 6. Number 6. We will continue with number 6. Okay, number 6. Come on, be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser. If you're ready, thumbs up. Good. First, before you write, we will learn how to read, how to spell and how to read. Okay, before you write it down, we will learn how to read number 6. In Ziyama, in Sarkan, Zir Patang. Okay. Number 6, behind. Okay, can you see this? B. In Hui Changkan in Charlo, okay. B E H I. Don't write it yet. Don't write. Do not write. First, we have to learn how to read, how to spell and how to read. Missing. Okay, let's start it again. Okay, good boys and girls, please can you fold your arm? Fold your arm. Okay, good. B E H I N D. Behind. Behind means pena. Anute nunga indin chuanin. I am standing behind my mother. Okay. P H E mizo chong chuanin H E. Presenting vanal page floor is presenting in make chuanin students dang tang ka mel and muthai don lo. Okay, good. Thank you. Mizo Chong Chuan H. English. English Chuan H. Okay. B H. A Mizo Chong Chuan E ka A N R H. Pena. 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 Okay. You can write it down. Number 6 here. Number 6. B E H I N D. Behind. Can you see? Behind. Behind means pen. Okay, I'll show you from the notebook. Number 6. Number 6. B H A N R H. Pen. Behind. Pen. B E H I N D. Behind. Pen. Okay. If you have finished, show it to me. Show me your book if you have finished. Those who have finished, okay, good. Like I said before, if you have any question, you raise up your hand. You have to raise up your hand and say, Miss, please, can you repeat? Miss, please, can you repeat number 6, number 7? Okay, like that. Very good. One is still writing. Are you all done? If you're...
Can you repeat number 7, please?
Miss,
Yes?
Can you repeat number 7?
can you repeat 7?
Of 7, we haven't done number 7, okay? Only number 6 here. Number 7, kan latilaw. Oh, number 6 is this one. Be fine. Okay, it's okay, but that's good. Good start. Teach halutuk. Miss, please, can you repeat? Very good. Okay, that, it seems all of you have finished. Number 6. Welcome. Okay, are you ready? Here, first fold your arm. Fold your arm. Let's start how to read. This one is number 7. Okay, we will read F R I E N D. Don't say D. D. Okay. D. Friend. Friend. Say friend. What is the meaning of friend? You can turn on your speaker. Miss Neswakota, you can turn on your speaker. Okay. What is the meaning of friend? Friend, Omisia. So do you have a friend? How many friends do you have? Show me with your fingers. How many friends? Count. How many friends do you have? 10. 4. 4. I have 3 friends. Very good, friends.
I have
4 friends. Okay. Okay, good. So you have to use friends. Friends. Okay, friends means share. We will learn how to read in Mizo. This one is G. Okay, T ni mi ala wala. Anoya dotom himo dotom chuan. G H E I to Mizo chong chuan E R N Chian. G to Tizia pata anwaya dot chi. Okay, write it down. Write it down in your exercise book. Friend Chian. This one is number 7. Number 7. Friend Chian. Okay. F R I E N D, Fran.
Friend.
That means
Yeah.
Xian. I will repeat in Mizo as well, okay? Chi, H, E, R, N. Xian.
Puro ka kalugay sa isang.
Mizo
T,
chong
capital.
Chuan,
Ang
at Maya. Dot, taon. This one is number 7.
Miss, I have finished.
Very good, good.
I am finished.
Very good. In van siak rang lo Mizo chong sport in siak cham hot me. Very good.
I have finished. I have finished.
If you have finished, fold. If you have finished, fold your arm. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. We can move on to number 8. Fold your arm. Let's learn how to read number 8. Okay. F, F, I, E, L, L, D, field, 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 field means, have you seen field? Field, mutosong. Field, mutosong, raise your hand. Field means munzol, munzol. Come on, H-E, M, N, Z. Hey, Munzol. Okay, write it down. Kalau repeat letter, while you write, I will repeat, okay? F, I, E, L, D, field. That means Munzol. H-E, M, U, U, N, Z, A and W will be O, A, W, O, L, Munzol, Munzol. Write it down. Field, Munzol. Those who have finished, very good. Fold your arm. Naomi, good. Very good. Okay. Some of you, I cannot remember your name. Sorry for that. Email ming himo ming kishala katsu hemi ming hianin anu ngi apa te ming hianin kan say may done. Oh, okay. Field munzol. Good. It seems most of you have finished. Those who have finished, fold your arm. Inzo tikshan kenan, fold your arm. Good. Let's move on to number 9. Come on, let's learn how to read number 9. Number 9. Fold your arm. Have you finished? In la solo one, raise up your hand and say, please can you repeat? Okay. Okay. Let's move on to number 9. L, U, N, C, H. Lunch means what? Come on, lunch. Lunch break. C and H, he, so, okay, C and H combined. So, H, Tune. You know, okay, tune. So, CH. So, A-W-O, tune. So, okay, write it down. Lunch means tune. So, tunato kan echin ka. Inapo, tune tinquid echin ka.
Lunch.
That is for lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. Tune. So, C-H will be to. C-H. So, C-H. C-H-O-A-W-O. So, okay. Hope everyone can see. One student have already finished the one level. Very good. This one is number 9. Those who have finished, fold your arm. Okay, here we have Emily Messi. Sorry that I cannot remember all of your names. So I will just call you out with the email letter in Omo and with the name. Emily Messi. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Thầy thích rồi. Đi mà xin con còn phát rồi.
Here we have Madu Talk Swap for you. Very good. Okay. I'm fine. Okay, that it seems all of you have finished. Okay, last number, that is number 10. Number 10, hold your arm. Let's learn how to read. H, U, N, G, R, Y, hungry. What is the meaning of hungry? Very good. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes or no? Are you hungry? No, miss. Okay. Okay, let's read it. R, E, stop trong hàng phát E thì đó là E, Hey, chi khai cái gì em chi khai nói là đó Write it down. Why do you write it down? I will repeat. Word. Come on, write it down. U N R L E R M. I'm hungry. Those who have finished, fold your arms. Naomi. The exercise. Okay, advance. Good. I mean, what? School lule hun. Chef kamo online class sa law ko hindi ude. Chef kanya misten. Heta alang fika. Class lule na sa kuan. Still writing. Don't be in a hurry. Galang pagkotenya. Email di kan chin siya online class sa ang aibe din kala students tam ta kasi nga yan kan chin siya kanya school lule huna okay, seems all of you have finished. Very good. So hold your arm. I'm going to ask you quiz. Are you ready for quiz?
Yes, miss.
Ma'am? Yes or no? Okay.
Excuse me.
Close your eyes.
Miss, excuse me.
Yes, what? Sorry, what?
Miss, we don't understand.
Sorry, please, can you repeat what? Intin mo?
Miss, we don't know number 10.
Okay, number 10. Hungry, real talk. Oh, wait. Hungry means wait, I will show you from here. Hungry, real talk. Can you see?
I have this.
Okay, good. So, hold your arm. Quick. Close your eyes. Your arm. Anu tekan chong na sabi. Anu te apa tekan chong rin sabi. Anu te apa tekan chong rin. Anu le apa hati anti raw. Do it like this. Look at me. Anu apa? Raw. Okay. Hold your arm. Okay, get ready. I will say Miss No Chong Khan ka so you have to answer in English ni Milaw Tan. Okay. Chian.
Friend.
Very good. Very good. Okay, next. Real talk. Very good. You enjoy our life hungry. Very good. Okay. Okay. Next, for the arm. Munzol. Next, Tunzo. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. So look here. Word meaning number 2. Miss Tete Hawanti. Come on, we will start from number 1. Okay. Look at your book. From number 1. Okay, show it to me. Come on, show me from number 1. Show it to me. Today we read it from number 6. Boy, not from number 6. But number 1. Okay, good. I can see. Good. Okay, get ready. Look at your book. You can look at your book. Fold your arm. Number one. Trong cái số đó. In wall. Bad. Okay, bad. Look what they have. Good. Next.
Bây giờ nó không có không ngủ.
Kutung chong. With the spelling. I want to hear with the spelling. Very good. Fingers. Very good. Okay. Now fold your arms. Mute. Mute. Come on, mute. Mute với kiếm mute chấm là vận động. Good. Chỉ point một điều cái sợi đón mute. Mute rồi lên. So, Miss Mahmouni class more. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, Miss Mahmouni Khan group Khan is. Don't make noise. Mute Victor. Anu le apa te motor ko kasai tel don. Mute Victor. Okay, Miss Mahmouni Khan group Khan ne make a ton vika. Can you see this one? A ton vika. Kamika. Miss Mahmouni na ton ka number 1 to 30 kani 1 to 30. Mase word meaning number 1 and number 2. Word meaning masaberenti number 1. Word meaning 1 le tuna kanti. Word meaning number 2 wa omto sa. Omto sa kata hian 27. Laya omto wait sorry. 24 omto. Kanti sa kata hian 24 omto to me ni wang cho heta chang hian athar to 16 chawa omti na 1 to 30 and ya ma se in lazir law athar to 16 1 6 16 chawa okay, so those 16 to me 16 how to char kan zir thak kang. Okay, we still have few minute lem kan la na ya. So we will learn how to read those. Okay. To me, to char kan zir thwa kang Miss Mahmouni na allow atlas allow post come on group. First, often. Wait. First, I want to show you the picture of stick and straw. Stick and straw here. Alam ka mo do tell mo. S T I C K. Stick means mol. Okay, stick means mol. Mase in Zirlaya kan mo from your textbook, English textbook kan mol mang kan inan siamani. Mol mga insak too. Wait, can you see this? Hey, mol mga insiam. Come on. From your textbook, pick how more kami a story means mol atanga insiam ho. Wait, can you see? Hey, mol kan mase mol tero te tawan yan. Big stick, come on yan. De kan ansani. Okay, first that is the picture, and next we have this one. Okay, we will read S T R A W straw means bukwang ma lai tan mo ma lai lan no in piang lo lai mean bukwang kan mo in kan siam chin ma lai apilia pute kan bukwang. This is bukwang. Can you see? Can you see? Straw. So, straw. This house is made of straw. Mala intention ends up. Do you know? Have you seen? Come on. Okay, this straw. House made of what? House made of what? This is a house made of. Come on. Very good. House made of straw. House made of straw. And what is this? House made of stick. Very good. Stick. So it's from your English textbook. English textbook and English textbook house made of straw, house made of stick. Okay. The last one, house made of brick. We will learn brick. B R I C K lấy rổ trần lấy rổ trần house made of brick. House made of brick. House made of brick. Can you see? Those who have seen, raise your hand. House made of brick. Good. Everyone, fold your arm. Fold your arm. Good. Good boys and good girls, fold your arm. Okay. Okay. Do you have a question? One question in Nanya, what? Tell me what? Okay, fold your arm. No question. One, class over. So don't listen to me carefully. Okay, don't make noise. One, word meaning one. Word meaning two. Tele. Tuna ka soy brick straw ti omna hupan law post ka kami how ka tiyan ka kalaw dito. Okay, kami ka intiyan so na kina school lu na po notes dekha kami pe ko na intiyan don kani. Okay, so come on, stretch yourself. Stretch. Input the come on. It's okay, that is all. Okay, class is over. Bye bye. See you next week. Hope to see you next week. Bye bye. Because your vector, study well. Okay, because your vector. Bye. Shut up. Bye. No, it's happening.
Bye bye, Ranti.
Bye bye. No, bye bye. Bye bye.